Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hi, I'm Marm Cruz, your licensed real estate broker specializing in premium homes in Nuvali in the South. And today, we're still here in Tagaytay to yet feature another beautiful home with a swimming pool here in Pueblo del Sol in Tagaytay City, Cavite. I'm really excited to show you this one because this is one of the villages that I really like so much. It's very quiet, it's very serene, malapit ka na talaga sa Tagaytay, malapit ka papunta ng Valley, and also malapit ka papunta sa Cavite Laguna Expressway. So this property behind me is being sold. This is actually newly renovated, but it's good as new. It sits in a lot area of 285 square meters with a floor area of 345 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms. Lahat yun may sariling toilet and bath. A 2-vehicle carport. You have your own swimming pool inside the house. So as you can see, this property is a corner lot property. This is actually newly renovated, but pagpasok natin, you will notice it's good as new because the owner took their time to actually refurbish almost the whole property, and ang ganda niya. If you've been looking for a property in Tagaytay, this is actually a good buy at the 25 million range. So tara! So as you can see, it's fully gated and fenced. You have a 2-vehicle carport on this side, kasya ang ating 2 full-size SUVs, and actually, pwede rin yung ating street parking on the side para sa mga guests natin. And again, like the property that I showed you in Royal Tagaytay, this one can also be listed up in Airbnb. So pwede nyo rin siyang iparent. You're looking around 15 to 15 and above rent. Let's just double check kung magkano yung going rate sa area. So let's start here sa beautiful side ng property. Let's go to this side. This side is actually the swimming pool side, which is my favorite part. Kasi ako personally, I like to swim. I like to dip my whole body inside the pool and just relax. And as you can see a little bit, for konting lakad lang from the pedestrian gate, there's another gate here wherein yung guests nyo can park on this side and they can enter here and then diretso na sa swimming pool. You also have a door which is an access going to the living area. But dito muna tayo, let's explore this side. So this whole side is your swimming pool. This is actually a good space na rin or a good size na pwede ka na rin mag-laps. Okay, so medyo mahaba-haba na rin yung pool. And may konting covered part in this area wherein you can put your outdoor dining set or outdoor living area, outdoor sofa, na this can be a space wherein you and your guests can enjoy it. Now, you have 2 sliding glass doors on that side and on this side na may access ka going to your living and also to your dining. Ngayon, mamaya makita nyo yung beauty niya or yung ganda ng area kapag nasa loob ka naman, anong view mo. So dito naman sa likod, has a designated shower area already. So yung mga basa, you don't need to go inside the house. You can actually take a shower in here. So you have everything you need. You have your sink, you have your toilet, and you have a small shower area. And then, ito yung water tank natin. Ito yung para sa tangke ng ating tubig. Now, on this side would be your service area. And dito rin yung ating entry going to the kitchen to inside the house. As you can see, it's already may roof na siya. You have your polycarbonate roofing. It's already prepared. By the way, all throughout the house, you have air conditioning. Meron ka na ring CCTV. Yeah, it's almost all complete. Meron ka na ring mga oven. Meron ka na ring stove. Kompleto na siya and meron ka na ring refrigerator. So, pagdating natin dito, you also have an access to the car garage. We're done sa exterior part ng bahay. Pasok naman tayo sa loob. Tara, pasok kayo. So as you can see, you're greeted by a beautiful steps going or leading inside to the main door of your house. Dito naman, again, ito yung papunta sa swimming pool natin. So tara, pasok tayo. Again, solid wood door. Maganda rin yung design niya. You can actually add your smart door lock here if you would prefer that. And then immediately as we enter, we have this cabinet here where you can store your shoes, okay? And you can also put some of your stuff. Yung mga gamit na dinadala nyo lagi sa labas, your umbrellas, and also yung mga jackets, you can actually store it there. Now, as we move a little bit further, as you can see, meron naman, nandito na yung stairs natin. It's quite spiral yung design niya. Pero it's really nice kasi you also have a high ceiling view of your chandelier here, which actually gives you that very welcoming vibe pagpasok ng bahay. And dito naman sa ibaba na stairs, the builder or the owner left it open so that you, the new buyer can actually modify this according to your liking. You can convert this into a cabinet space. You can put a small garden down below here. Now, right across the staircase would be the first bedroom of the house. Again, we have 4 bedrooms, each with its own toilet and bath. And lahat sila may sariling cabinet space and meron ka ring sariling split type na inverter aircon. So this room can fit a queen-size bed. You can actually fit 2 single beds here. Kasya-kasya siya. And what I like about this house is lahat ng ating mga rooms, meron tayong TV console, shelves, and also naka-fluted panels na siya. And at the same time, you also have a full-size cabinet good for 1 person. It would change from time to time depending kung anong size ng room. So here, sa ground floor bedroom natin, you also have your shower area na enclosed na. You have tiles all the way up, you have your exhaust. Apart from that, meron ka pang window sa gilid that you can open up so that all the bacteria and also yung molds hindi siya mag-build up. You have a beautiful sink na may countertop na rin siya and you have a mirror. So, let's continue on with our tour. So, as you go out from the guest room or the ground floor bedroom, you'll be led to your living area. And just wow, if you have a high ceiling as you enter, meron ka uling double height ceiling dito sa ating living area, which it makes it a little bit more welcoming. If you have a lot of guests, a lot of people, it wouldn't feel cramped up. Yun ang kagandahan ng high ceiling. Syempre, meron disadvantages, pero yung advantages natin is you have a lot of space or you will feel like maluwag na maluwag yung space niya. So again, you have your sliding glass door here leading all the way to the swimming pool area dun sa ating deck. And itong door na to is leading towards our garden area na dun sa may pedestrian gate natin. Now, right here sa living area natin, we also have a powder room. So itong powder room na to, it comes complete with all your essentials for your powder room. It's just the toilet and also yung sink na may countertop tayo. Now, punta naman tayo sa ating dining area. For your dining area, it's just closely situated right beside the living area. It can easily fit your 8-seater dining table. You can actually still fit a 10-seater dining table. It just depends on the size. So, kung 10-seater to, medyo maganda yung pagka-size or tamang-tama yung pagkakuha nyo ng size, it can still fit more people here. I can just imagine, you can siguro house around 15 to 20 people in this property, and then you can have it rented out during the weekends habang wala ka dito, and then you can use it on the weekdays kapag gusto mo na magpahinga from your work or gusto mo mag-work from home dito sa Tagaytay. Now, dito rin sa ating dining area is another access, a floor panel sliding glass door leading to our swimming pool. So this is actually very nice. Just imagine having your coffee, having your breakfast in the dining table and just enjoying the view. And as you can see, may landscaping na yung labas. Just imagine if you have more landscaping in this space. Now, let's go to our kitchen. Itong kitchen space natin, for me, it's just the right space. Tamang-tama lang siya. You have a lot of space for preparation. You also have a bar counter here which can fit 2 high chairs. Pwede rin siya maging breakfast nook. You have your La Germania range hood. You have your La Germania cooktop. And then meron ka na rin kasama dito na washer and dryer sa loob ng bahay. You also have a faucet and sink. You have beautiful cabinets all over. You have a 2-door refrigerator also included in the sale of the property. So this door naman, hindi siya pantry guys. This is actually your maid's room. Your maid's room. So sa maid's room natin, it comes inclusive with your cabinetry and then meron na rin siyang space for your double deck and also your single bed. Dito rin sa ating maid's room is a space for your toilet and actually your shower. So, tapos na tayo dito sa baba. Let's go to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. Here we have 3 bedrooms. All of them has their own toilet and bath, and 2 of them meron silang mga sariling balcony. Now, before we proceed and check out the 3 rooms here, let's just admire itong mga chandeliers natin. This is actually a very good centerpiece to the house. This chandelier is looking down to your big spacious area sa baba, yung living space natin, and also connected to our dining area. And I really like it because ang dami niyong windows. You actually really would feel yung vibe na you're in the vacation home, you're in Tagaytay, especially the pine trees scattered all over in the village. Let me just show you yung first bedroom natin dito sa second floor. This is technically the second bedroom. As we enter, as you can see, kasya ang ating queen size bed. If you want it a little bit, you have more space, you can fit your double size or yung double bed natin. So you can actually fit it here kasi on this side, you have a TV console na meron ng fluted panels, meron ka ng ready for your cable TV na connection, you have your electrical supply there, and then meron ka rin ditong cabinet down below, and you have shelves here. Now, on this side is a full-size cabinet, enough for a lot of storage, especially, for example, kung gagawin mo siyang vacation space, etong property na to, you can convert it into two double decks, or siguro dalawang single bed pwede, or dalawang semi-double, kasya siya. So dito rin sa ating bedroom na to, it comes inclusive with your complete set na toilet and bath. So you have your faucet and your sink na may counter, and you also have your glass sliding enclosure dito sa ating shower area. Now, this bedroom is one of the two bedrooms na may sariling balcony. So I really like this one because this is an L-shaped balcony leading to the hallway of the second floor. Pero maganda doon, you can actually look down. If you're like resting, you can put a chair here. You have your friends there. You can look down on them. Tapos hindi mo mamimiss yung mga nangyayari sa baba. Ang ganda lang ng lifestyle dito sa bahay. You can actually have another view here on this side. You can take a peek at them. Pwede. Now, let's pass through here. Tingnan natin, mabubuksan. Ayan. So, let's go to the third bedroom of the house. So, it's actually a similar size or medyo mas malaki po siya kumpara dun sa first bedroom dito nakita mo second floor. You can actually fit a queen size bed or a king size bed here. Pag king size medyo siguro sisik ng konti. And same as the first bedroom that you saw, split type air conditioning, you have your fluted panels, you have your TV console, you have a big cabinet on this side. And then, again, sa toilet and bath, it's the same design, same colors, same na mga inclusions dito sa toilet and bath. So I'm excited to show you yung master bedroom natin. This is very big. So if you've been looking for a big master bedroom, this is actually perfect or pwede na to. So tara! Welcome to the master bedroom. So the master bedroom can easily fit at least two double beds or two semi-double beds. Maluwag na maluwag siya. A king-size bed, a customized bed, very spacious. And what I like about this is you have two balconies. One balcony in front and another balcony on this side. This is a Juliet balcony. Maluwag na maluwag siya. Very spacious. I really like it so much. And ang taas ng ceiling niya, very high ceiling. If you feel like adding a loft dito, pwede. Dito rin sa ating master bedroom would be a walk-in closet. This is actually good for two people. Perfect na to, tamang-tama na to. Siguro ang kulang na lang dito is a dresser, which can be added once you buy this property. They also have a double vanity sink, a master toilet, and you also have a shower enclosure dito sa ating toilet and bath. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property listing in Tagaytay and our other property listings, or if you're looking to sell a property here in this area, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. Nandiyan po ang aming phone numbers, email address, and aming social media accounts. Now, if you are looking to get updates from us, mga current promotions na iba-ibang developers na hawak namin, mga upcoming listings namin, we have a Viber community that we update from time to time. The link is on the description, and nandiyan din po yan sa ating comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!